Hello my dear students of Siksha Bhavan Montessori School. I am Saikat, and as we all know, we are going through a very crucial period due to pandemic COVID-19. We are unable to come out of our house, we are unable to go to school, but we have to continue our studies. So in this regard, our school administration have came up with a very nice idea to do the classes in virtual mode. So today in this video, I am going to tell you how you can do your virtual classes using your smartphone. As the first step, you have to go to Google Play Store and you have to download one app from there, and the app name is Microsoft Teams. You just write Teams over here and search. Microsoft Teams will come. You have to install it. As I am using quite slow network, the download will take a little time. So we have nicely completed the first step, that is installation of the app. You can see it is installing in my phone. So the installation process is completed, and now we have to go for the open option. I'm not going directly over here. I'm going to the main menu where the app has been installed. You can see it is written Teams. So I'm clicking on it and it is asking me the sign in details. Now for signing in, you require one user ID and one password. All the students will get their user ID and password in the form of an SMS from the school. So let's check in the SMS portion, do we have that login details or not. So messages, and so here you can see BX SBM DMR, one message is there. Let's open it, and it is written, dear parents, please download Microsoft Teams app from Play Store and log in through user ID rohan@sikshabhavanms.onmicrosoft.com. So I am using the login details of Rohan Pal from standard 7. So what we have to do, we have to just remember the user ID and the password. Okay, so let's go to Microsoft Teams app again and let's click in sign in. It is asking for the login credentials, so let's type it RUHAN. Actually I have already used that login details, so it is automatically coming. So I'm clicking on it. You have to type it nicely. Okay, there should not be any mistake. And now it will ask for the password. Okay, and the password for Rohan is WUT50735. okay, WUT50735 and 5. Now we are clicking sign in and we are entering in the app. Next, got it. And you can see the app is going to open. You can see we are already in the chat option of that app. Here on the upside it is written students training standard 6 to standard 8. Actually on 17th April 2020 at 7 PM one training session is there for standard 6 to standard 8 students, how to use the app. And now let's check how we can enter in the classes. Okay, so for that you go to the calendar option. Okay, today is 28th April. Today all the classes we have already finished. Tomorrow is 21st April. One class is already cancelled, and the next class is computer hardware, which is going to start from 8:30 AM. Okay, so when the teacher will start the class, you will get the notification in your phone and you have to click in the join option. Okay, automatically it will be directed to the class and you can hear your teacher. Okay, so I hope I have made you understand how to use the app, and I also hope that you are staying at home and you're staying safely. Thanks for watching the video.